Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners along Bob Iacchino. By the way, we're trying to get our subscribers up even more, so if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. If you like what we're doing, please distribute our content somewhere. Ring the bell so you get notifications of when we put up new content and do live streams, and let as many people know if you find this helpful. So, insane price action today, very toppy today, huge gap up. I mean, we nearly had a 300-point range in Tesla, which is about 20% of its closing stock price. So you're wondering, I had to come up because we gapped and then traded really quickly above this 1697. How did I get the next level up there? What I did, I went to extended hours. So if you're doing that in TradingView, you right click on the chart, go to extended hours, and you can see here, there it is. I used this little pausing bar high. So here's this pausing bar right here. Use that pausing bar high, which then gave us a 1746 level to target, spiking through there, which then you got a really nice pause. So you could come up to that key level, and then we started to sell off. Again, very, very topping bar. I've gone over last week how far away we are from all the key price action. This is pretty much gone crazy right now. So you have to be very careful. This thing can rip your face off at any point, especially with this price action. So now I've updated the most recent swing to, I'm just going to do everything to right here. So I have the most recent swing, the long-term swing. You see coming back down, let me go to 1 hour, coming back down, filling the gap, targeting the bottom of the rotation zone on the 1 hour, pausing between it, and then closing below the rotation zone on the 1 hour. So the 4 hour, key tomorrow. If you start trading again below today's low, you have a little support shelf here about 1405. Major area I'm watching is about 1365, bottom of the rotation zone with this prior support ledge. That's going to be the first level of major support. If we drop below there, again, potential major reversal pattern. That's the daily. Let me just double check the 4 hours. So right now, the 4 hours right at the low. So if we start dipping into the 4 hour, you can see here, the rotation zone on the 4 hours is still above that ledge, but it's coming in with the daily, so I'm going to be watching the daily. If we drop below that, then I'll start paying attention back to the 4 hour, which is coming in about 1328. Then if we drop below that, I'll start watching for this gap fill. Remember, we have a couple gaps still to fill down here, and the bottom of the rotation zone coming in with this 1221 level. With this kind of price action, we could see Tesla back down there very, very easily. Again, huge. We have a potential, especially if we get a daily close below this bar. It has triggered a divergent sell signal. Now, if it does rally, I will put nothing by Tesla. If it does rally and get above 1794.99, 1851, 1911, 1972, and 2152 are the targets. Please, again, be very careful. We zoom out a bit. Here I put on the retracements. These are the retracements for this up move that did go vertical. It's pulled so far away from the rotation zone. In some way, shape, or form, it will reconnect, whether it drifts, but it generally vertical up leads to vertical down. We could easily see 1071 over the next few days, which would be just a 50% retracement. 62 would be key support, which is all the way at 890. And remember the last little round trip we did? And I've seen this not just in Tesla stock, but I've been trading for a very long time. And I've seen this many times, targeting back to targeting the 200. Now the 200, that was the last little vertical run up. And remember, it went vertical, topping pattern, came back down the daily rotation zone, went up again to test it again, then it finally collapsed. So again, we aren't trying to pinpoint a top, but if it did come back all the way down to its 200 at this point, you're looking at right of, and this is 200 simple, right just north of 600. Right now 605, that will keep edging up, but very, very slowly since it uses 200 data points. So keep all that in mind with your stops, with your targets. and how you're going to trade it, especially when you get a 20%, nearly 20% intraday range on a stock. That is not generally healthy, and it is complete. This has been gambling for a while, but it is complete gambling. So position size accordingly, and know where your key levels are. And again, don't add to losing positions. Don't try to cannonball this trade. Oh, it's going against me. Let me add some more. Let me add some more. Let me add some more. Know where your limits are and know when to take losses. That's what we have for you on Tesla, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.